Hello everyone and welcome back to Tidbit More. In today's lesson, I'm going to tell you some beautiful happy idioms. So whenever you want to say that you are happy or someone else was happy, you definitely can use these idioms and phrases in your conversation and you will sound so beautiful. So let's get started with the video. So we have our first idiom, on cloud nine. On cloud nine. It means extremely happy when something wonderful or amazing happens. For example, Nina was on cloud nine when she got to know that she had won the lottery. The next one is on top of the world. On top of the world. You are on top of the world when you are feeling wonderful. You are feeling amazing. An example sentence. I've been feeling on top of the world since I started doing yoga every morning. I'm feeling amazing and wonderful and so fresh. The next one is considered as a cliche these days because it's so overused. It's over the moon. Over the moon. You might have heard this one in the movies or any series you might be watching, and you might be wondering, what is this? Over the moon. This is feeling delighted, feeling happy. An example sentence, I was over the moon when I get to know that I got the admission in the university I wanted. I was so happy, so delighted. I was over the moon. The next one is in the seventh heaven. In the seventh heaven, meaning bliss or to be so happy that you feel that you are in the heaven. To be in the seventh heaven. An example sentence, since they got married, they have been in the seventh heaven. The next one is like a dog with two tails. Like a dog with two tails. I really like this one. Like a dog with two tails. Yes. And this means very happy and excited. Like a dog with two tails. An example sentence, Zen's been like a dog with two tails ever since he got his promotions. He's so happy and excited after his promotion. The last one is having a whale of a time. Having a whale of a time. It means that you enjoyed yourself very much. An example sentence, we had a whale of a time on our holidays. Right, that's it for today's lesson and I hope that you enjoyed it and I really hope that you learned something new from today's lesson, and I think I should end the video here. But before going, if you like the video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you didn't subscribe yet, and I'll see you soon in some another video. Till then, bye!